Good evening, ito Akashvani Kohima. Samlaga khobor puri asim kongnongla. Pohela headlines. Industrial Workers County Consumer Price Index laga noton series to 2016 base year logoti release kori dise. Sarkar ba sob international mofficial ahiari khali tourist visa charigena hawa noholi pani rasta bra ahiboli ijazat dibole ase. DRDO bra nak anti-tank guided missile ka final trial to Pugran range di kamiabi kori choli jaisi aro Nagaland di 157 COVID-19 cases kan khobor hoise pura ginti to 8296 di porhai jaise. Itia pura khobor. Labor Minister Santosh Gangwar Consumer Price Index laka noton series to Industrial Workers CPI IW karoni 2016 base year logodi naideli di aji release kori dise. Gangwar kwesi ke CPI IW do organized sector di public sector undertakings, banks or insurance companies logot sarkar employees kan bi milagena dearness allowance di bole measurement korea di July ase. Dabra kwesi ke CPI IW karoni akode base year do 2001 thakise. Minister Bakwesi ke to the Dorkar Economic Indicator ekta ase. Sarkar ba faisla kan banai kena sob OCI aro PIO card holders ar dosra sob foreign nationals jon khan hi khali tourist visa charigena dosra sob community hawa nohali pani rasta khan authorized airports aro seaport immigration checkpost bra ahiboli bhavana si tai khan logodi ahiboli ijazat dibula se idu khandi Vande Bharat mission air transport bubble arrangement nohali dosra sob commercial hawai jahaz khan Ministry of Civil Aviation bra ijazat disi itu nichidi operate korea khan hobol আছে কিন্তু Indonesia mofficial ahia kan sopra Ministry of Health or Family Welfare ba quarantine aro dosra COVID-19 mamla logo joria guidelines dia kan do karabra manibuli lage edo graded relaxation nejedi Indian sarkar ba itia thakya visas kan do khali electronic visa tourist visa aro medical visa kan charekena itia loki bra wapas ane dibuli faisla banaise Indonesia visa validity do expire hoile milia categories la kan notun visa kan do Indian concern bra globally paribo foreign nationals kan medical treatments karone India de ahibuli thakile nichur laka medical attendance milai kana apply koribuli paribo edu faisla bra foreign nationals kan India de BPAR conference employment studies research or medical community ahibuli dibuli ase Defense Research or Development Organization DRDO bra banaidia nak anti-tank guided missile logodi ekta warhead to aji India bra kamyab kori final trial korise test to aji pujo Pugran field firing ranges Rajasthan ba chole jaise DRDO bra helicopter launch stand-off anti-tank missile do 10 km par korea range di Balasur testing range Odisha bra October 19 tarik test korea basudi nak anti-tank guided missile laka trial to korise nak anti-tank missile do Indian Army di induction koribuli tiari ase etubra target to baikena thik lagai dia hisab dosta user trial to kamyabi kori khadam hoise Defense Minister Rajnath Singh bra nak anti-tank guided missile laga trial kamyabi korea karone DRDO aro Indian Army lokoti congratulate korise INS Kavarati ekta anti-submarine warfare stealth corvette to Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Naravani bra Naval Dockyard Visakhapatnam Andhra Pradesh di ekta ceremony rakhikena Indian Navy di aji commissioned kori dise charta anti-submarine warfare corvettes kan Indian Navy di formal commission kori dia event to rakhise INS Kavarati Jonto nijo design koridia ka morta class anti-submarine warfare stealth covidasi etudo Garden Ridge Shipbuilders aro engineers limited ba banai dise army chief bra ship to desh lokoti dedicate kori dise Naga Students Federation NSF bra akodi koidia nishina so private educational institutions laka proprietors aro management logot students laka baba ma bra duk diktari pai thakia do saigina dorkar hua khan logoti kisman fees kan do hatai dibuli anarat korise NSF bra ekta press khobari so private educational institutions laka proprietors aro management logot dorkar na hua fees laka sob component kan do sob students kani hatai dibuli anarat korise kilimani pandemic thakia namiti students kani service kan tu na chulai students or community lokoti fee hatai digina dusra humanitarian services dia hisabi modob institutions lokot federation ba mon khushi janaise apni khan Akashvani Kohima ba dia khobor huni ase Nagaland laga COVID-19 cases to naroki kana porhai jai kena ajibhi 157 notun cases kan khobor hwa pasoti pura ginti to etia 8296 porhai jaise. Health or Family Welfare Minister S Pangyo Phom bra koisi 119 cases to dimar proba dhorisi 32 Kohimar bra 3 ta parent bra 2 ta na mukukchung aru kefre bra aru ekta do mon bra thorise. Tai bra ko jonaisi 39 bimar kan do wapas bhalosi John kan bra 22 to dimapur bra 10 ta parent bra 7 ta Kohimar bra se. Cases khobor hwa majodi 86 to armed forces bra 63 to contact bisaria bra aru 8 ta frontline workers kan ase. 1798 active cases kan thaki ase aru infection bra wapas bhal hwa sok milai kena 6399 manokan hoise. Yunnan Sarkar Baji koise ke desh laka COVID-19 recovery rate bra 89% par hoise. 24 khanda somai 79,000 opor COVID bimar khan wapas bhal hoise. Health Ministry ba koise wapas bhal hwa pura milai kena 68,74,000 opor punjise. Itia asol case lote positive cases sok milai kena khali 9.29% thagi ase. Desh ti itia active cases laka pura do 7,15,000 thagi ase aru desh laka case fatality rate to 1.51% June to pura dunia di sobse komti majodi ekta thaki ase. COVID-19 detect koriboli nimiti COVID rapra kiman thik dhoriboli pari eto do Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR bra validate korise. Diagnostic technology do Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur di research korea khani banai dise. Eto COVID-19 diagnostic testing tarika do e khanda phirodi result kan digina dam sosta aru asani bra cholaboli design kori dise. Notun testing tarika bra bishi reliable aro thik molecular diagnostic procedure rakhi kena ekta bishi competitive portable device unit to IIT Kharagpur research team bra banai dise. Test result khan do manual interpretation na thagi kena custom made mobile application bra choli boli dibula se. Novel diagnostic platform bra ICMR guidelines hisabi ICMR NICED June to ICMR bra authorized kori dia ekta institute ase etu bra jorkuri testing protocol do cholaboli rakhi dise. Self-help groups logoti empower kori digana 2-3 farmers training do hutai kamaboli paria rasta nimiti horticulture avenue si noklakti rakhise. Deputy Commissioner noklak Rainy Welfare pra region di agri allied production laka takoti kotha korisi aru khidi korea khan karoni market avenues laka bihi koi dise. Jibon botli kori dia sob kisam kam di motob dibuli janai di taibra training dia bra farmers or self-help groups kan hi value addition hisabi farming laka nutun terika to suru hoboli bi asha janaise. District cardamom atoa aro tapioca bishi thakia di dhore kena welfare pra koisi noklakti agri processing unit aro model agri farm aro suru hoboli fund dia kam to bi suru korise. Superintendent of Police Noklak Dr. Pritpal Kaur bra koisi khidi korea khani traditional style bra scientific terika di botli kori kena production uthai di boli aro tai khanaka khiti jinis laka quality bi bhal kori di boli koise. 2 din rakia training di 54 trainers kani self-help groups aro thang range public organization represent korigena jotise. Aro desh pra COVID-19 pandemic lokoti larai kori thakia somaidi ami khan sopra hoshiar thakibuli yat korigena tinta asani godam khan othai kena face mask bindibuli sabonaro banibra barbar hat dhula boli noholi hand sanitizer chola boli aro manoro manoma jodi do rakhi kena bachi thakibuli lage. Khobor se istia ko headlines dobara janai ase. Industrial Workers County Consumer Price Index laka notun series to 2016 based year lokoti release kori dise. Sarkar ba sob international mofisal ahiade khali tourist visa kan chari kena hawa nohali pani rasta bra ahi boli ijazat dibula se. DRDO bra nak anti-tank guided missile laka final trial do Phukran range di kamyabi kori choli jaisi aro Nagaland 157 COVID-19 cases kan khobor hoise pura ginti do 8,296 por hai jaise aro ajirati laka nagamis khobor imanti ses kori ase.